Janie was curious, studied ornithologist, notes spread all around. Late nights in the yard with his feet. Oh, Janie the neighbor, a clever tinkerer, stops to hear the sound. Can you help me find the solution, John? But as she's sketching out a design, a bird lands on the line. Tweet, tweet, which seed is the answer? The question fills the air. Bill, how can I construct it? The problem's everywhere. Back in research mode, Benny takes a careful road, reading what's been found. Janie takes her tools to the workshop. Benny's hypothesis, birds might like the food that's sweet. Janie's plan takes shape, a sturdy feet are built to withstand it all. And when the first bird swoops down to feed, all questions start to call. Tweet, tweet, which seed is the answer? The question fills the air. Bill, how can I construct it? The problem's everywhere. Janie looks at Benny, they both nod in harmony. Answers start to flow. Questions lead to tweaks if you feed us. Science meets design, the lines blur and intertwine. Outcomes both can show which food works the best, and how can I make it so? The process opens more. Tweet, tweet, which seed is the answer? The question fills the air. Bill, how can I construct it? The problem's everywhere.